Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you for joining me today, whether you're brand new or a subscriber, and please subscribe if you haven't. This is a quick video to show you my friend's succulent greenhouse. This is where she puts them away for the winter. I just wanted to show you the variety that's available and also give you an idea of how tolerant and easy they are. If you have a friend that has succulents that you like, it's as easy as taking a small piece. They'll maybe start them for you. There's all sorts of ways to do it. See that bowl right there with the variety that we just went past? Those are just cuttings. So if something breaks off, that cactus, you can take one little nub and start it. If you bring those home and you just throw them on top of a plant in your house, they'll make roots and then you can plant them. There's so much variety and so many options, and I know it's January, so it seems weird, but if you get started now, you might have some that are gorgeous in the spring that you wouldn't have had. I love all sorts of different hobbies and gardening and crafting, so I try to do it in a frugal manner. Here I have some still photos of things that I brought home, and I brought that box and let them sit around for 2 weeks and then planted them up into these pans and various things that I had. And then last night I went out and watered them. It had been a couple weeks, I forgot about them, and then just made a short video for you to see. They don't look dead. A couple of them are tired looking. Some of them look like they're thriving. It doesn't take much work at all. These are great ideas for housewarming gifts, or if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of money, you can put them in little tiny containers you get at Goodwill, or you could put them in painted yogurt containers, whatever. There's all sorts of options, and I just wanted to share this idea with you. Here's some that are sitting outside all winter long, and they're still perfectly happy. Some do need to come inside or they will die, but if you've broken them up, you have a start for next year, so you're fine. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.